picking a color palette for your paintings? Do you feel like you're good with color, but it just doesn't seem to show up in your artwork? Then this is the class for you. I'll be giving you an introduction to color theory that will help you crack the code on picking the perfect colors for your paintings. Color is all about relationships, and the sooner you understand and see those relationships, the better your artwork is going to become. Hi, I'm Ann Shen, and I'm an illustrator and author based in Los Angeles. I've worked in the industry for over 10 years with clients like Disney, Facebook, and Jenny's Splendid Ice Creams. I've also written and illustrated 3 books published by Chronicle Books titled Bad Girls Throughout History, Legendary Ladies, and Nevertheless She Wore It. In this class, I'm going to be teaching all about color theory. I love talking about color in artwork because it's one of the most powerful tools we have as artists. Colors evoke emotion, can direct the viewer's eye, and can convey powerful messages through the visual medium. We'll be using gouache, my favorite paint, for the projects in this class. I'll go over the basics of how to use it so that with practice, you can master the medium. Of course, you're always welcome to use whatever medium you have on hand. There will be 3 main sections in this class. The first one is going to be an overview where I will go over common color terminology that is used to describe how we talk about color. 2, the color wheel. We'll do a color wheel that'll go over hue and value and teach you how to make a harmonious color palette with just 4 colors. And the third section will be butterfly studies. We'll experiment with creating our own versions, testing out how monochromatic, complementary, analogous, and split complementary colors work. My hope with this class is that you'll come away with the tools to become the master of your own color domain. Now let's get started.